this ain't it. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't, check out my review of the Nike Dunk Low PRM Tartan Plaid. The sneaker has no hype around it, but it's a clean sneaker. It looks just like the Pandas wrapped in plaid, right? And I thought the sneaker was so unique that I said, you know what? We got to do a how to style. And I put together some pieces that's definitely a match. That Burberry shirt, I just kind of wanted to see it together because Burberry's known for their plaid logo. But the color was crazy. It didn't match, but Burberry do have colors that matched it. So you can try Burberry.com. They do have a green and a red look. But the one I have just didn't match. But hit the B-roll. Ain't nobody. Show y'all some hyper beast streetwear. We still gonna do that today, but we also gonna do some regular stuff. But let's start with my man Ralphie. Come on, guys, this is a perfect match. The polo, right? The polo. Y'all get what I'm saying. The Ralph Lauren polo shirt is a dope match, man. I brought this about like 3 Christmases ago. Didn't get a chance to put it on. Tag still on. But it's a perfect match, man. That's why sometimes when you buy something, you gotta just keep it, because sometimes you acquire a sneaker to hit it out the park with. So as you can see, the lines is there, the greens. It does have a green that match in here, but it's also a lighter green too that don't match. But it's a perfect match, man. You got the white cream look, the red, the green. I really like this look. You know, polo is in that mid-tier. Sometimes it's very expensive, sometimes it's affordable. I wish I could tell y'all the name of this shirt so y'all could look it up. But it might be easy to find. If you guys want to find it, hit me in the comment section below. I'll find a link for it. Let's stay with Ralph Lauren. This here is another polo, but this was in the rugby era. Give me a thumbs up if you remember the rugby era of polo. That was the era. They closed down a rugby store in New York, so I don't know if rugby's still a big thing. But the back is where it definitely matches. You guys a large square red, same red inside the plaid joints, with more white, more cream, more green. This is a dope match, and it's long sleeve for the weather right now. Again, it's been a while, man. I don't even know if they still sell rugby, man, but perfect match here. And like I told y'all earlier, it's not gonna all be hype beast, man, but it's gonna match and it's gonna make a fire outfit. This right here is from Forever 21, and I love it because it doubles as a hoodie. Warm hoodie, has that long john material in there. But look at the shirt. You have a whole bunch of different plaids. Long sleeve. You got a green, red mix here, a red, black mix here, a white, green, red mix here. It's like it was made for that sneaker, man. And retail for the low, guys. Retail is... I don't have the retail, but I think I paid like $21.99 for this dope match. Can we get the name at least? It just says woven top shirt, red multi. But go to Forever 21 and just type in plaid. A whole bunch of stuff is gonna pop up. Hype beast time. This is the Supreme Marvin Gaye photo tee. I like it to match the plaid joints because you got an all red tee. Then the photo has that green look in there as the plaid. The back, you got a nice Supreme logo there. Small, but the Marvin Gaye joint, I think, is a perfect match. Staying Supreme is the Supreme metal tee. And I like this because it got that gray and white that's at the bottom of the sneaker on an all red tee. So I really like this match. And I seen this on StockX for like $45. That's below retail, guys. Going back to the high brands is the Versace paint tee. And if you look at it, it just look like a color pilot at Home Depot when you're trying to paint your crib. But it matches the plaids perfect. I think I paid like $280 for this from Essence. But just look at the match, guys. On top of the plaid joints, fire. If you want to rock it basic, I suggest you go with the Michelin Ness Chicago Bulls Christmas shorts, man. Look at the match. You got the green, the red from the Bull. I think retail was like $140, but Michelin Ness has a stupid sale right now. 40% off one item. So you're looking at maybe like $75 for this. This is dope. I also like the camo look. Bait or just regular camo, it don't matter. These cargos are from H&M. But I just like the match on the plaid joints. Going back to the streetwear, Shoe Palace and DMX did a collab a couple of months ago. RP DMX, man. And this match is perfect. You got the white and gray from the DMX photo. Hints of red. That nice plaid green match right here with the sneaker. Exodus on the back. It's a dope match, man. They go more red on the sleeve. And very, very affordable. $28.99, guys. RPX. And I know Yeezy's on everybody's list. But the Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie, man, will forever be a perfect hoodie. It's the way it fit, the way it feel. Super dope. If you get the red colorway, perfect match. Because they don't make green. But the red, perfect match. I ain't gonna front. Speaking of plaid and polo, it do remind you of pajamas too. Hats. Let's start with the Scullies. This is a no-brainer, but expensive. Gucci Scully run you about $300. Now the Supreme hat, the green is off, but the gray I like, mixed with the red in there, you can pull this off. The Fear Guard fitted is a perfect match. It doesn't have no red, but it has that white cream with the Fear Guard logo on a green hat. Yes, sir. So this has been a quick how to style on the Nike Dunk Low PRM plaid. Tartan Plaid. Let me know if you need help finding anything in this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.